Recently, China has adopted a new border law that aims to safeguard its territories. So let us know more about it. So this law was first proposed in March 2021 and it will now come in effect from 1st January 2022. It says that it shall combat any acts that undermine China's territorial claims. Now, what do the provisions say? So one of the provisions states that the state and its land neighbors shall delineate the land borders and that shall be approved by the State Council. So it means that earlier Central Military Commission and the branches of the People's Liberation Army had the responsibility of assigning the borders. But now this responsibility will be shifted to the State Council that actually acts according to the will of Communist Party. Moreover, it also adds that it will handle the land border disputes with the neighboring countries through negotiations. So, China shares border with 14 countries, and that includes Russia, North Korea, Mongolia, India, and Bhutan. So, basically, this law is targeted at those countries with whom China shares borders with. It also adds that it will take measures to strengthen the border defense and also support the economic and social development in the border areas. Now, what does it mean? It means that China will take up the development of those areas or villages that lie along the border lines. For example, the Tibetan villages that lie along India and China and also Bhutan will be acting as first line of defense, and China will be taking up the development task over them. It also states that the state shall take measures to safeguard the territorial integrity and land boundaries and shall combat any act that undermines the territorial sovereignty. So basically, this act is acting as a stamp for approval of China's military actions. And we all know that India and China have always involved in border disputes. The latest being the Galwan Valley clash that took place in June 2020, where both the sides fought with each other through iron rods and clubs, and many were injured. Moreover, China is also involved with Bhutan over the boundary dispute over the Doklam region, where China has in fact de facto taken control over that area and has started building the civilian developments over there. Further effects will be seen when it comes into implementation. So I hope you have now learned and knew about the new law of China. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Think Curious. Thank you so much.